Don't let me forget this cigarette.
Shit.
Not for your phone.
Don't give me problems right now.
Just like a bitch.
Dying down, Storm. Yeah, there's a really big cloud over here that Mike was watching.
So, watch the beer.
Here, you think you're
It's
gonna
probably the best cloud actually is over here. Really good one.
We caught some good bullets.
You take video or pictures?
Both there.
Video.
Video.
It's hard though, because they're like...
They're back and forth, back and forth.
Yeah.
Is the thunder been any louder?
Mm-hmm.
Or is it the same, relatively the same?
More frequent.
Louder, more frequent. Yeah. Not the same sheet lightning either. Like it's the actual proper bolt, which is good.
And they go fly tight.
Oh, you fucker.
You got that one?
I got a little bit of it.
A little bit, yeah.
Are you watching that
Right
way?
here.
I'm
Right
watching
in
the
this
middle area.
Mike.
Okay.
Yeah, Mike's got a spot over here, and then this one over here is good too. I think Mike's is starting to dissipate though, like it's starting to head out too far.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm seeing a lot of stuff in the corner here. But there was the good one. Like,
Oh yeah. Beautiful shot.
did you guys see that one?
That was a
I caught it through
beautiful
the
one.
corner of my eye.
Caught that one on the
beautiful.
camera. I'll show you later.
I'll show you later.
What's the rate? Dying.
Whoa!
Shit! Yes!
Tell me you got that one.
That was fucking nice, right in this
I think I got it. I don't know.
hope you did.
Because at that same second, I was dropping my hand.
That was
Yeah.
epic, dude.
Right here and right here, I'm telling you, those are the spots, these clouds.
Because I saw John walking out. I went to go feel the rain.
They're cluster fucking right now over
Yeah,
here,
it's
man.
getting louder now too, I'd say.
I just farted. Very nice, very nice. Put on a bit of a show for us finally.
Beer.
Ooh, good bolt over there. Like way behind the houses though, eh?
Yeah.
Dude, man, that one sounded like George Fisher.
It was a nice one.
one.
A nice
Can you
one.
do me like the biggest favor in the world? What? Can you go in my bag and let me do it?
Mike's a joker, I swear to God.
Clearly, if I go out there, we get good
Go.
lightning.
Go, John!
Go, make the move.
Man, you are the man.
Yeah.
One-handed.
I think I want to
Thank
go
you,
back.
You're not ducking any bullets.
Yeah!
Shit, that was nice. Right here, eh? Right here's a good spot.
Son of a-
Holy fuck.
Let's get out there.
Let's get out there.
Just go underneath the tree, bro. Right here. Right over here, man. Wow.
Get the keys off Tony. Sit in the driver's seat. You can videotape over there through the window.
Yeah.
Stay dry.
Oof, I got that.
Dude, man, that was fucking crystal clear, man. Dude, all over. Oh, there's a big one right there, man. Fuck.
I can feel it.
We need to get everyone get different angles so we fucking edit it all together in one video.
I think I got part of it. Oh, do you see that?
Yeah.
That's the sign we gotta go back to a normal spot. That was such a good bolt too.
That was epic.
Dude, that was like boom, boom,
Epic
boom,
loss.
boom.
Wasn't it?
You see that in 4 stages? It started at the bottom, went bang, 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 and then back behind here.
Yeah. It was nice,
he did.
man.
all coming over
Love
there
these,
now.
yeah, these clouds here and these ones right over here, but yeah, these ones here seem to get hit a little bit more now.
Here you go, Mike.
Mm-hmm.
These are the last 2 cigarettes out of my last cigarette.
Ooh.
Oh, I got plenty. Here.
Well,
Take some
see,
of these.
right
I
here,
want to get
eh?
rid of